athletes, welcome to this Cardio Abs workout by CureFit. This is Nikki here and I'm going to guide you through the super fun core burning workout today. I have picked 4 hand-picked workout movements that will be targeting your core and you're gonna feel awesome after the end of it, alright? We will be performing all the movements for 45 seconds each with a 15-second rest in between. The best part is you do not need any equipment, your body weight is all that you need, alright? Also remember to keep a water and a towel close by because you will need it in this workout, trust me guys. Okay, also remember for all of you watching this video, join me through this home workout movements and I will make sure that you feel amazing by the end of this. Without any further delay, let's start the workout. Alright guys, the first movement that I have for you is called the bicycle crunches. Okay, the setup for this movement is you're gonna sit on the floor, lie down. From here, you're gonna take your head and your upper back off the floor, bend your knees. Okay, from here, you're gonna take your right elbow try to touch your left knee and then opposite elbow and the opposite knee this way, alright? But you're gonna go a little faster, amp up the intensity. Remember to keep your core engaged, alright? So we'll begin in 3, 2, 1, knee up, let's go. Okay guys, remember to keep your core tight, okay? And don't tuck your chin, look up and keep going. Turn your body also left and right and make sure the straightened leg is always straight. Don't bend the knee, alright? This is gonna target your obliques. Keep going. And don't forget to breathe. Okay, you can scale it down. What you can do is go slow, okay? One leg at a time. You can do this as well. Keep going. Few more seconds on the clock. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Whew, I can feel the burn. I hope you guys as well, alright? Now, moving on to the second one, that's called the leg raises, okay? The setup for this, again, go to the floor, lie down, take your hands underneath your glutes. From here, lift your head and your upper back off the floor, legs straight. Now from here, you can lift your leg up 90 degrees and then bring it down, okay? When you're bringing it down, bring it slowly, okay? 45 seconds on the clock, in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Keep going. This is going to target your core. And when you're letting your leg go down, please remember when you're doing a negative, slowly, lower it down slowly. And make sure your leg is just an inch off the floor. Now, if you want to scale it down, what you can do is, you can rest your leg, you're going to rest your head and your lower back on the floor and lift your leg up and down. You can even do this, alright? You're going to feel your midsection burning by now. You should feel at least mine is burning, but stay with me and keep going, alright? I'm going to lift my head and upper back off the floor. Feet is an inch off the floor. Keep going in 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good job, guys. Second movement, done and dusted. Moving on to the third one, that's called the mountain climbers. Okay, the setup for this is you have to come first into a high plank position. Your palms right underneath your shoulder, feet, your knees, and your entire lower body extended, hip extended, knees extended. From here, you're gonna take your right knee to your right elbow, left knee to your left. And remember, throughout the movement, keep your core engaged, alright? That's how you activate your core, okay? But remember, we are not doing at this pace, going a little faster, okay? So, take a deep breath in, 45 seconds on the clock, guys. Set it up in 3, 2, 1, mountain climbers, go. And remember, keep breathing. Also, this is gonna bring your heart rate up as well, but I don't want you to amp up the intensity in the beginning. Just slowly amp up the intensity. Go a little slow in the beginning and then slowly increase the speed. Okay, now for my beginners, you can do one leg at a time. This is also completely fine, but remember to keep your core engaged. Don't sink your back, don't lift your hip and do this way, okay? Back down, core tight and keep going. Beginners can also single leg, one leg at a time, alright? Keep going. Almost there. Stay with me. Keep going, guys. Few more seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Whew. My heart is racing. Please stay with me, guys. We are almost there, moving on to our final movement. But before that, I would like to invite you all to our CureFit app, and please try out our CureFit Live there, all right? Here you can work out with awesome trainers who's going to guide you through your fitness journey. If you download the app through the link in the description or the first comment below, you will get a free access of 14 days, guys. What are you waiting for? Go download it now, all right? Okay, guys, moving on to a final movement that's called plank hip dips. Okay, now get into an elbow plank where your elbows are right under your shoulder. From here, interlock your fingers. Yeah, now from here you're gonna dip your hip from left to right. All right, but throughout the movement again, control, slow and control. Don't need to go too fast in this, and remember to keep your core engaged. Okay, 45 seconds on the clock. Set yourself up. Last movement, guys. 100% energy with a smile in 3, 2, 1, let's go. And dip it to your left and right. Now, remember not to touch your hip to the floor. Your hip should be an inch off the floor, all right? This is gonna target your obliques. Trust me, it's gonna fire that obliques up. Stay with me, guys. Keep breathing. Core tight. Keep breathing. If you wanna scale it down, what you can do is just stay on a elbow plank. That's good enough, all right? Keep your core tight. Just stay here where the elbows are right under your shoulder. Keep your core tight, your glutes and your hamstrings tight, your quads tight, and stay there, all right? Okay, I'm gonna stick to plank dips in 3, 2, 1, and there we go, guys. Done with the workout. Thank you for staying up till the end. You guys, my friend, deserve a pat on your back, all right? Remember to add this to your personal playlist and come back and do this workout at least 4 to 5 times a week for a month. Also remember to complete the entire workout for at least for another 4 to 5 rounds, all right? Remember 4 to 5 rounds, not just 1 round, all right? This will help you burn more calories and get you leaner and stronger. Okay, guys, please let us know in the comment section how you found this workout. Stay tuned to our CureFit YouTube channel. Like the video, share it across with your friends and family. Save the video in your watch later section or create a new playlist altogether so you can come back and work out with me. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Until next time, guys, take care. Bye-bye.